Hey guys, in this video I'm breaking down the 5 best AIO liquid CPU coolers for 2026. These are coolers that deliver top-tier thermal performance, quiet operation, and long-term reliability. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates or pushing heavy productivity workloads, I've spent hours researching specs, testing data, and real user feedback to bring you the best options available. All the best purchase links and deals are in the description, so you can easily grab your favorite. Let's jump right in. Number 1, ROG Ryujin Gen 3 360 ARGB Extreme. The ROG Ryujin Gen 3 360 ARGB Extreme sits at the top as a flagship AIO built for extreme performance systems and high-end gaming rigs. It features the latest Asetek EMA Gen 8 V2 pump, powered by a 3-phase motor that delivers higher coolant flow, reduced resistance, and outstanding thermal efficiency under heavy CPU loads. The thick ARGB radiator fans are engineered for high airflow and strong static pressure while keeping noise levels controlled. Their magnetic snap-together design also makes installation faster and cleaner. A large 3.5-inch LCD display with a sharp 640 by 480 resolution allows real-time system monitoring or custom animated visuals, adding both function and premium style. An integrated VRM fan inside the pump housing improves motherboard cooling, while advanced software support enables fine-tuned control, AIDA 64 integration, and exclusive ROG themes. Number 2, Tryx Panorama SE360. The Tryx Panorama SE360 is a premium AIO designed for builders who want cutting-edge visuals paired with serious cooling capability. Its standout feature is the massive 6.67-inch curved AMOLED display, offering a crisp 2K resolution, a 60Hz refresh rate, and excellent contrast for a truly immersive look. The rotatable screen supports exclusive 3D anamorphic animations, including the signature waterfall effect, making it a striking centerpiece in high-end builds. The curved panel is protected by tempered glass with full adhesion technology, improving clarity while reducing reflections. Under the hood, the latest Adela cooling solution is paired with a high-density radiator capable of handling up to 280 watts of TDP, making it well-suited for demanding gaming and content creation workloads. Customization is handled through Tryx Canali software, allowing split-screen layouts, system monitoring, and personal media uploads with minimal performance impact. Number 3, MSI miles per gallon Core Liquid P13. The MSI miles per gallon Core Liquid P13 is a high-performance AIO cooler built for gamers who value both efficiency and clean aesthetics. Its upgraded full-plane copper base improves heat transfer and enhances long-term durability, helping maintain stable temperatures during extended workloads. A signature hidden cable design routes all pump power and display connections through the sleeve tubing, keeping the pump block free of clutter. The integrated 2.1-inch LCD screen supports system monitoring, animated visuals, and custom images. CYC Blade 9 fans provide strong airflow and high static pressure while maintaining controlled noise levels, and ARGB Gen 2 lighting adds vibrant, synchronized lighting effects. With MSI's UNI bracket mounting system, installation remains quick and compatible with Intel LGA 1851 and AMD AM5 platforms. Number 4, Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro focuses on efficient, reliable cooling with a clean and practical design. Its optimized contact pressure distribution improves heat transfer across the CPU surface, helping maintain stable temperatures and support long-term processor health. The upgraded Arctic P13 Pro fans deliver excellent airflow and static pressure across a wide RPM range, staying quiet at low speeds while scaling efficiently under heavy loads. Native offset mounting for both Intel and AMD platforms positions the cold plate closer to the CPU hotspot, improving thermal efficiency. An integrated PWM-controlled VRM fan actively cools nearby power components, enhancing system stability during sustained workloads. Radiator fan cables are routed through the hose sleeving, leaving only a single visible connection for a cleaner build. Number 5, Corsair ICUE Link Titan RX. Rounding out the list is the Corsair ICUE Link Titan RX, an AIO designed around clean installation and reliable performance. It delivers strong cooling while keeping noise levels low and cable management simple. One of its highlights is the 2.1-inch IPS LCD display, which shows real-time CPU stats, custom animations, or logos at a crisp 480 by 480 resolution. Corsair's ICUE Link ecosystem allows compatible components to connect in sequence through a single hub, significantly reducing cable clutter. At its core, the flow drive cooling engine uses a 3-phase motor and precision-machined cold plate for efficient heat transfer. Pre-installed ICUE Link IX RGB fans provide solid airflow and static pressure, supported by air guide technology and magnetic dome bearings for quiet, dependable operation.